Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at SeaTac Airport in Seattle, and this is a place that we know pretty well. We've been here quite a bit.
Yep, we have.
Yeah, so Katie we're going up to the Burghoff Wilderness Lodge for my 18th season, Katie's 5th season.
My 5th season.
Yeah. First year was
2012.
2012. So I've been if you guys don't know this, I've been guiding up there for 18 seasons now. The night I graduated high school, we graduated high school.
After the grad party.
Yeah, I actually went up there for my first season. So this whole trip to this excursion to Alaska every single summer is something that is pretty special to us. So from here, because Seattle is the place you need to start from, it's the next step to Alaska. You always have to fly from Seattle to access through either Alaska Airlines or Delta. And so next we're going to Sitka, and then tomorrow we're going to catch a boat and get over to the lodge on the other side of the island. So we're probably going to hang out here in the terminal for a bit.
Smooth travel day, though.
Very smooth travel day so far, which is good. But yeah, it was so far. But yeah, I think it's going to be a really good day. So far, it's been really, really super easy. But we've got one last layover. We're gonna spend it well in a terminal or a airport that we've been to many, many times. So let's get up to Alaska. Bit of liquid sunshine. This is definitely Southeast Alaska in September. Love it. All right, welcome to the Sitka Airport. Pretty small. All right, so Katie's getting luggage right now, or at least waiting by the luggage. I'm gonna go get the company truck because we got some errands to run. We got to go get some shampoo and some body wash and some of the essentials for our stay, because where we're going there's no stores, so we've got to make sure we have everything that we need for pretty much the next month. So but man, it feels good to be back. Gosh, the smell, everything, I just love it. I love it. So Sitka is a really pretty small town, but for Southeast Alaska standards, it's actually pretty big. It used to be a Russian settlement, but of course now we have it. But big stop for a lot of the cruise ship lines, but it is definitely first and foremost to me a commercial fishing town. But it is pretty touristy too. It is a really cool place. But we've got to get our errands done for the evening because we've got the boat ride to the lodge around the island, around Burghoff Island, and so we've got quite a bit of work to do. I think some of these stores are going to start closing, so we got to go shopping. All right, guys, so we're just about ready to head to the harbor to hop on the boat and go around the island. But I want to show you this tree right here. So trees are one of my favorite part of being up here. Look at the size of this tree that they lobbed down years ago. Let me put myself 6'2". Look at the size of it. It's massive. big Sitka spruce. Look at this thing. Wow. And look at that stump. That is just a massive stump. There are some really cool trees in here. But man, this stump, I just love checking this tree out every single time I'm here. Giant. We've got some giants over at the lodge too, but this is pretty cool. All right, so next stop is Crescent Harbor, and then we've got a long trip around the island. All right, here we are, Crescent Harbor. And that boat over there is the boat we're gonna take. Now I gotta grab all our luggage, load up, and we're also gonna help load up with all the groceries, because that's one of the functions of the big boat, the tour boat going around to the lodge, is to bring the groceries every single week, because again, we don't have any stores over there, so we gotta make sure that we get that grocery list taken care of every week on the boat. All right, guys, so we got the luggage put on, and they already had half of the groceries. Right now we're waiting for the other half of the groceries. That is our chariot across around the island. This is a new boat that I haven't been on before. There's Katie waiting.
All the produce.
All the produce. All the groceries. But it is a beautiful morning. You know, we had that big squall, if you will, yesterday. It was like sustained winds of 30 mile an hour when we were flying in, and with gusts like 40, 50 or something like that. But look at what that blew in. This nice, beautiful Southeast Alaska morning. It's gorgeous. Probably, I don't know, 62-ish degrees or something like that, 63. And man, I think for the next few days, it's actually going to be pretty calm. So really excited to get started. I've already seen a few salmon jumping, which is not abnormal at all. But we're ready for a big week. You see one right there? You see that, guys? There he is. Nice. All right, just waiting on the last of the groceries, and then we're heading around the island. All right, guys, so this is the best tour I can give you of Sitka while I'm here. There we go. Obviously a big commercial fishing town. All right, full steam ahead.
Here we go.
All right, enjoy the ride. All right, guys, so we made it to the lodge. The last few hours I actually have been helping, put away all the groceries, get the last week's guests on their way, get all the luggage put on the boat and all that. So quick turnaround for that. And then I also spent the last few hours working on my boat and getting settled. We're going to be running a boat called the Pard this year, which is a boat that I've captained many times. And great boat, gonna catch a lot of fish out of it. But yeah, just getting that settled. I think we're gonna go fishing tomorrow. I'm gonna take some crew out and we're just gonna go have a good time for some halibut and salmon. So that is what we're doing this weekend. Just getting ready, doing a little bit of fishing, getting warmed up for Monday, which is the first, guide trip that I'm gonna be taking out. But wanted to show you the living areas back here. So this is where the crew stays. That was actually the very first cabin that I stayed in my first year in 2005. Pretty much stayed in every single cabin except for the cook cabin. Never stayed in that one. I'm going to show you inside here. Safety first. So here is our humble abode.
Oh, hello.
Hello, Katie.
Hello. I'm just making it homey.
It looks awesome in here. The thing I love about this cabin is all the shelving, all the storage opportunities. Some of the cabins don't have nearly as much shelving, and I love this one because it is fully loaded with shelving. So getting everything nice and organized. We've got electricity in here, as you guys can see, and we've got a wood burning stove. So that's pretty much it. In each of these cabins, we don't have any running water. There's one cabin that has a diesel heater, but everybody else has got the wood burning stove. But this is it, man. This is I gotta be honest, a pretty awesome place to stay when you're up here at the lodge. But anyways, that is pretty much my trip up here. We've got a lot to do right now. We've got to still get everything dialed for, the guide trips that start on Monday. So I got to run, but thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this. It's a very special place to me, and we're going to be doing a lot more videos in the next few weeks. So keep an eye out for those. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below and make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll see you out on the water.